This year, Delhi has seen its warmest February since 2006 with an average maximum temperature of 27.7 degrees Celsius. This was also the third warmest February for the national capital since 1951. But Delhi, on the first day of March today, woke up to strong winds and light rain, witnessing a sudden weather change. Delhi witnessed strong winds and drizzles this morning, while the weather department has predicted thunderstorms with light to moderate rainfall in the national capital region and the nearby areas. It has predicted a partly cloudy sky in Delhi and the nearby areas today. The maximum temperature will fall by 2 to 3 degrees over 48 hours and rise thereafter over the northwestern plains, said yesterday's weather bulletin. The maximum and minimum degrees in the national capital and nearby areas will be around 32 and 14 degrees according to the forecast. The light rains come due to a western disturbance influencing the northern plains, even as it was unlikely to impact the mercury significantly. The maximum temperatures will, however, continue to hover over 30 degrees Celsius. The mercury was expected to go up to 31 degrees Celsius on Wednesday, even as the air quality remained poor, but was likely to improve to the moderate range in the second half of the day. On Tuesday, Delhi recorded a maximum temperature of 32.1 degrees Celsius. The average monthly maximum temperature for February was 27.7 degrees Celsius, the third highest for Delhi since 1951. It was also Delhi's hottest February since 2006, when the average monthly maximum was 29.7 degrees Celsius. In 1960, February recorded a monthly average of 27.9 degrees Celsius. There was also no rainfall in February. The last time the capital recorded rain was 20.4 mm between January 29th and 30th. The normal rainfall mark for January is 19.1 mm and 21.3 mm for February. Above normal temperatures are likely in March, April and May. Till Sunday, the mercury will hover between 31 and 33 degrees Celsius. Delhi's air quality, which remained in the poor zone on Tuesday with an air quality index that is AQI of 218, according to the Central Pollution Control Board's CPCB 4 p.m. bulletin, will improve to moderate on Wednesday as per the predictions.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.